Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift Programming Logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll show you guys the differences between classes and structs. So there's actually two key differences. Structs can be used as codables like encodables and decodables, and classes can become subclasses of each other. So they're not really differences, they're more like things which advantages and disadvantages. There's also like classes are reference types, so if you create a copy of a class, I think it references the same copy, so if you change it, it'll change that one as well. But I'm not going to get into that because that's a bit more complicated. So let me create a custom class here, and I'm just going to use the car example again just because it's easy. So I'll just create let's create a name. So this can be a string. What's that? Okay. A string, and let model, which is also a string. And then we have the init, which is also a difference because you don't have to do this in structs. So name string. This is actually just initialize, and then model string self dot name equals name self dot model equals model. And now they're pretty much the same, so you can create a variable. Let's BMW. I keep using BMW, but that's the only car I really know. So actually I can use Ferrari. So Ferrari, and we can just create car, we can give it its name and model. So Ferrari model, let's just say F40 because that's the only one I know actually. So this is how you would do this, and you can also do this in structs fairly easily. So if you create a struct, and let's just name this car. I don't know why it does that, but yeah, okay. And then all you can do is just copy and paste this, since you don't need the initializer for a struct. And now we can do the exact same thing but with a struct, and we probably shouldn't name it the exact same thing, so I'll name this class car and I'll name struct car. Okay, so now this can be the class car and class Ferrari struct Ferrari, but in reality they're actually just the same thing if you think about it. So they're both just things storing data. So structs can be used as codables and decodables. So if I name this codable, it can also be decodable or encodable, and those are just important for things like decoding JSON data. And classes, they can have subclasses. So I can create a subclass of class car by creating a sports car. So this is the exact same example, but I'm just going to use it since it's pretty simple. So this example will have the same things as this, the name and model, but we can also add the top speed. Let top speed equals int. So the point of a subclass is just you can has no initializers. Oh, you have to set this as optional, because you could define this. No, you could define this without this, but you'd have these two. So yeah, if you just define that as optional, that goes away. And the whole point of subclass is that this could be like some really big thing and you don't actually know how it works, but then you can create a subclass of that and just add the things you need in. So yeah, these are the differences. Classes can have subclasses, structs can be like decodables and codables. So yeah, there's a lot more, but they're all like the code sort of basics. They aren't actually like visual. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!